CraigerCoClassic here. What's up, Ford F100 World? We're out here in Texas. What's the name of the show?
Texoma F100 Round.
I always mispronounce
There
that.
you go.
Yeah. Hey, we got Josh here. He's on Ford F100 World. I meet a lot of guys. I love seeing it because it's not about anything. It's about those Ford trucks. And you got a Ford truck here today. What do you got?
It's a 71 F100.
Yeah.
I got it 2 years ago. It's 360 FE. Not really too much done to the motor right now. It's original motor, original transmission. I'm the fourth owner on the truck.
Yeah. Did you get it going? Was it not running?
So it ran when I got it. But the booster was jacked up. The master cylinder was leaking.
Yeah.
So I had no brakes. In fact, when I got it off the trailer, I almost ran into my own house because it wouldn't stop. I didn't know about that. Luckily, the emergency brake worked. Ever since then, I mean, it took a new water pump and the brakes to get it going. And then when I got it, the timing was 30 degrees. I don't know if anybody knows, but that is not good.
That's not good.
I got it run a ride, put a two-barrel, still got a motorcraft two-barrel from
Hey, I like that.
yeah, from an 86 Bronco.
Gets the job done.
It does get the job done.
Where'd you get this radiator? It's like half plastic.
I got this from work. I work for a company that we do sell a lot of automotive parts.
Okay.
I paid $90 for the radiator, so I got a good deal. A lot of guys say the plastic radiators tend to crack. I haven't had any issues with it. I don't plan on it. Like I said, I have the fan. I installed it just for this trip. And I have a switch that's located underneath the dash that turns it on.
I like this original sort of, you know what I mean? Like I see original motor as far as we know.
Yes.
And I mean, but it's still rough. I kind of like the original stuff. I love mint trucks. I love them all, but I love just holes here and there. It's been used, it works hard. It's all like. I'm gonna shut the hood here.
Yeah.
So tell me about these headlights.
So the headlights, these are on off of eBay. They're just LEDs.
Do you like them?
I love them. You know, I was a little iffy. These are not the style that eBay told me I was going to get, but they came in, and I'm one of those guys. If it comes in, I'm just going to use it. I'm not returning it. Yeah. But yeah, I'll turn them on.
Yeah, go for it. You can turn them on again.
It's just going to be on the low beams.
That's fine. Yeah. Dude, that's works.
If I come up behind you, yeah, you're putting your mirror down because it happens all the time. Yeah, you're getting blinded.
What's this Central Texas F100?
Central Texas F100s. That's the club or group that I'm in. You know, thanks to Jason Terry, he's on the F100 page as well. He's the one who started the group, and it's just a good group of guys in the Austin, Texas area, and we get together. Me and this truck right next to us, we both drove all the way here from Round Rock, about 4 or 5 hours in the rain.
That's awesome.
So
yeah, that storm.
That storm was something special.
Dedication.
Let me just tell you guys, if you want to cut your front springs and you're going to have a camera problem, rain and puddles are a big problem. It is a scary situation. It's not easy to drive in.
So what wheels you got here? Come on,
these wheels actually came from
Mustang style.
One of the guys on the F100 forum. We traded from Florida. They are from a Mustang. They're 18 inches.
That's nice. You really tucked them in. They're pretty good.
Yeah, they actually
they drum brakes. I like it.
Drum brakes, all 4 corners. No Crown Vic swap yet.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
it actually kind of looks like it already is. You know. I like that you did spacers there too. I have spacers on my back.
So those are it's 5 by 4.5. Yeah, so I had to get the adapters running. I'm running 1.5 inches in the front, and then the rear is 1.75 inches to kind of get it away from the truck bed. So I did have to beat my bed in with a hammer, but I'm not concerned about how she looks. So
I like how she looks.
Yeah.
Let's look at your interior. I like that seat. Tell me about that seat.
So I had posted a couple months ago about the seat. This is the King Ranch 06 F250 seat. It is the rear seat.
The rear seat.
Yes, it is exactly the same size, door to door, so you don't have any issues. The King Ranch is the only seat that comes with the cup holders folded down.
That's cool. What'd you do with brackets? Did it just bolt
in? The brackets, I used the original brackets off the original seats, and you just swap them over. It took me 45 minutes. I mean, measurements and all to get it going. So nothing real. That's really the only thing I've done in the interior.
That's cool.
So
did that AC head unit there? Did that come with it?
That did come original to the truck. I'm just gonna keep it there, although I don't have AC.
Yeah,
I really do like trying to keep that vintage original look. I'm not trying to be brand new. It'll probably stay this way. Might put some carpet in there and clean the rust up. I don't know. I'll be Flintstone for too long if I don't.
I like the color of this too. It's like a two-tone thing.
Yeah, you know, this is you don't see a lot of them with this this two-tone look. These colors together. So.
Man, you got a beautiful truck. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining Ford F100 World. I appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Post the heck out of this truck, okay?
I will.
I know I've seen it, but I want to see it some more. See you guys.